Good afternoon, this is Sean with Trenchless Pipelining. We are at 1268 Partridge Ave, Miami Springs. We're going to be looking at the kitchen slash laundry line. I've pushed the camera down the new clean out in the garage and pushed all the way to the main line, all the way through to the main line. We're going to start backing up. Right there you can see the sleeve. And then we overlap the resin into the sleeve a little bit, and the resin comes all the way through here. You can see a connection there at the top of the pipe opposite the water. For some reason it's been a bit of a pain and doesn't want to show up well. Oh, there it is. Alright, now it's showing well. But there's your connection. Right there, it reduces to 2" and then starts coming around this corner. And then we just head towards the kitchen, kind of at a 45-degree angle across the house. This has all been lined and coated. Usually we only do one coat on kitchen lines because they're so small that 2 coats can really create some problems, like not being able to get a camera through to make a video. So I'm making this video now because I can. Okay, right there, you can see there was a little hole. I backfilled that hole entirely with epoxy, so now it's a solid pipe again. We're going to keep coming. There's a few more holes in this pipe. There's going to be a rough area. This pipe was mostly full of concrete somehow, and I had to grind it out. Oh, there's another very big hole. I backfilled that one, all with epoxy as well. Here we go, around that corner right there. Alright, there's where it transitions from PVC to cast iron. This is all going to be new pipe that we installed. We're going to also cover that connection with epoxy on this coat. That's the new kitchen line right there. And this all here. Here we go. That's going to be your new clean out. And this is all the new plumbing for the new laundry. Again, this is Sean with Trenchless Pipelining. We are at 1268 Partridge Ave in Miami Springs, and that was the kitchen slash laundry line.